Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. Another video on ticker symbol SPRT, which is for support.com. And I have been making videos on SPRT since it was $4, then it went to $60, it came back again. Another very exciting day. It was up by 20% during market hour. After hour, it is now currently 3.6% up, but you can see at one point it went to 25.5. So very exciting, and they have a major catalyst coming this Friday, September 10th. So in this particular video, I want to talk about the support, resistance, price action, option chain activity, short interest, and many more. And if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, do not forget to join my community. So I have a Patreon community. You can become a member. I have only few seats remaining. For becoming a Patreon member, you will get access to my Discord channel where we talk about a lot about day trading, swing trading, and more. So today's big winner, we had BBIG, ATER, SPRT, nice gain so far. If you're just looking at high of day, yesterday was also good. We made a lot of money. So anyway, give it a try, become a Patreon member and join our community. Also, if you like YouTube, you can also join my YouTube community. Same thing, you get same kind of notification during the day, pre-market, after hours, so that we can all make some money. So anyway, let's go back to SPRT. This is the main meat of this particular video. So looking at a 1 hour chart, what do you see? You can see that the RSI was coming down, moved sideways, and now it is going upward on an hourly candle. Also look at the buying pressure. The selling pressure has decreased and the blue line is over the orange line. Now the buying pressure is increasing. This is one good thing. Look at the chart, went up a lot, came down, moved sideways around $20 for some time. Now it is pushing. So today what happened just before the market closed, when we saw a spike, I alerted on my community that it is going higher. So from $20 to $21 it went to 25, and we also loaded lots of call option. So hopefully if the trend is continuing, maybe we will be big when the market will open tomorrow, but it all depends on pre-market. But anyway, so let's look at the chart. I will come back to the chart because the chart is looking really nice. And why? Most probably you know, because they have a catalyst. So this coming September 10th Friday, there will be a vote on merger with Greenridge Generation Holdings. So this is a Bitcoin miner, right? So this is a big catalyst. So this is one thing. And if you look at the volume, so today there was a lots of volume in the morning, then during the day no volume, moving sideways, then end of the day lots of volume came. You see the spike in price. If you look at day-to-day volume, you can see that we had some volume, then the volume died. Now we have to see whether we will have more volume to push the price even higher. Very important. I also want to see the today's volume. The average volume is 40 million and today's volume was 28 million. So still comparing last few days of volume, today's volume was not that great, but the volume came end of the day. This is important. So we have to see how the pre-market and tomorrow will go. I also went to Investor Place. It talks about the short squeeze stock, SPRT, and so many things, and definitely it has the name of SPRT. This is not the big thing. The big thing is support.com could keep surging if Bitcoin's run continues. This is another report from Investor Place. It talks about a lot of things, the price and everything, but it says that SPRT stock could worth another 50% up if BTC, Bitcoin prices stay hot. It talks about a lot of things. If you want, you can go and find it, but let's see the meat of the report. So let's see here. I want to show you the final thing. So it is saying that if Bitcoin goes to 90,000, so the company will, not the SPRT, the new one, the EBITDA will be 30 times higher, and in that case SPRT stock can become $32. So this is what they're saying. But anyway, this is not my big thing. I'm just looking at short catalyst. So if I go to Fintel, the current short share availability is 0. At the same time, the borrow fee should be higher. And also if you look at the short volume ratio for last few days, it is always over 50%. So I went to Reddit just to see some recent information, and if I go to Ortex, what you can see that the short interest estimate is at a new record level of 82% of free float, which is really high. It was 60%, 70%, and now 82%. The utilization is now at 95.9%. All of these are triggering for a short squeeze, right? So SPRT was up 3% in the morning. If I go down, you can also see here that the 82% is the short interest, very high, and they haven't covered yet. At one time they have to cover. Look at the cost to borrow. The average is 232%. It was 70, 80, 100 last time we talked, right? Now it is 232% cost to borrow. The more they are holding their short position, the more interest they have to pay, and they are just shorting the stock, right? So they are trying to bring it to $15, $10, right? So if more volume comes, what will happen? Very high short interest, very high cost to borrow. This thing will squeeze again, and we have seen BBIG today. It went up a lot in the morning, also end of the day 12.5. So things can run really fast. Very exciting. If you look at the option chain activity, and do not forget, I'll talk about the price action, but I'm gonna talk about it at the very end. So looking at the nearest expiration date call option, which is for 10th of September, look what is happening. For 25 strike is still like 2700 call options are open, 23 are open. So these are very close. I want to see at the 17th of September, right after the merger and the monthly expiration call option. Look at the volume here. 23 strike price, then you have 25 strike price, and also you see 28 strike price. Nothing very big, but if you come down here, you will see the put call volume ratio is 0.21, meaning that put are only 20% and call volume is 80%. If you look at open interest, same thing on the open side, call is 111,000 and put is 207,000. So anyway, sometimes it gives you a sense in which way the stock is moving, right? But I'm more interested to look at this coming week, because Friday there will be a merger vote. Some people are saying that maybe after the vote, still the news thing can happen, it can come down, but still today is Wednesday, we have Thursday, we will see. So it came here, found a bottom around $18-19, then now it is really pushing higher. So there was a resistance around 23, it broke through that 23, then it reached around 25.4, came down, but still this is not the end, because this is only 6 p.m. Eastern time. We still have 2 more hours in after hours. So the next resistance I would say would be something around 26-27 area, and after 26-27 definitely we will see 30 and definitely 40. To me, if you ask what is the next one, maybe if there is lots of volume and more buying pressure, this thing can run towards 30 and maybe around 40-42. I'm not saying it will go back to 50-60 soon, but definitely it can go, because we know last time what happened. From here it went to 60. So anyway, very exciting. We loaded lots of call options and shares. We will see. Hopefully after hour and pre-market it will be up. If you want to lock your profit, maybe before the merger vote Thursday, you can lock your profit. You never know which will happen. Look at BBIG today. I'm just showing this as an example. At one point, let me show you the chart, right? At one point it went to 11, came down, went over 12, came down, went over 12, and now it is below $10. So always lock your profit, because you never know how things will turn out, right? Everyone was thinking BBIG will go to 15-20 after 12.5, but it came down. So you never know. If you are in really big profit, always set some trail stop loss. Whenever it will come, you will set, you will lock your profit. On the other hand, if you think you are a long-term holder for SPRT, that is another thing. But anyway, I wanted to make this video super quick, because I think SPRT will run after hour and pre-market tomorrow, and it will run Thursday again. So very exciting. And let me know your thought if I'm talking something different or I'm wrong. But anyway, if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, do not forget to join my Patreon community, become a member, come to our Discord chat. We talk about day trading, swing trading, option, crypto, so many things, and I think it costs only a little, $9 per month. Give it a try. If you don't like, you can always cancel. Anyway, thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and bye-bye.